Morgan, for the past 4+ years, you have been the absolute light of my life, and I have cherished every single moment that we've gotten to spend together. I feel honored and blessed to be standing up here with you today in front of all of our friends and family as we make this commitment to share the rest of our lives together. You are the most genuine, kind-hearted, and supportive person that I have ever met, and you truly exemplify what it means to be the perfect partner. Your heartfelt and caring personality always shines through whenever I've had a bad day, and your capacity to care knows no bounds, considering what you see and do every day at work. I vow to always support you through each and every endeavor and to remind you just how strong and capable you are on the bad days and the good ones. I promise to never stop making you laugh and to always continue giving you the most ridiculous nicknames I can think of. I promise to always be a listening ear when you need to vent about your day at work, no matter how confusing and/or depressing your stories may be. I vow to love you for the rest of my days and beyond, and to never stop falling in love with you over and over again.
Tristan, who would have thought it would take a global pandemic to meet the love of my life? And yet somehow, in the middle of so much uncertainty, I found my certainty, you. It's hard to believe that was almost 5 years ago. In those 5 years, we've built a life full of adventure and resilience. We've traveled to 9 countries together, made homes in multiple neighborhoods across the greater Seattle area, including a move just a week ago. And we even endured 10 long months apart while I was working in California. I promised to walk beside you, hand in hand, no matter the path. If I had to choose, I would choose you. In every time, in every lifetime, in every universe, I would find you and I would choose you again and again. And so I leave you with this. As long as the sun always rises, I too will always. And come the day it would no longer, still would I always love you, as I will love you until forever.
With this ring,
I promise to love you,
I promise to love you,
laugh with you, and stand by you.
laugh with you, and stand by you.
Today, tomorrow, and always.
Today, tomorrow, and always.
With this ring, I promise to love you, I promise to love you, laugh with you, and stand by you. Laugh with you and stand by you. Today, tomorrow, and always. Today, tomorrow, and always. By the power vested in me by the state of Washington, I pronounce you husband and wife. Tristan, you may kiss your bride.
He has cut a wide swath already, and he wasn't even a year old. He wasn't even out of diapers. With that, thank you.
Let's all raise a glass to Tristan and to Morgan, to love, laughter, and never letting go of the ones who mean the most.
And
propose a toast to the most legend, wait for it, couple ever. To the Taylors.
I am proud to be here. I'm proud to call him my son. I'm proud to call her my new daughter-in-law.
Cheers to Mo and T-Dog.
Cheers to the Taylors.
To Morgan and Tristan, to their love, and to all of the beautiful moments still waiting to be made.